Good morning, everyone. This is physics lecture about motion. I hope you're able to see this page very clearly because right now there are a few important things in physics that I would like to discuss with you about motion. Now, the first thing is the three questions: what is force? The second question is what is motion, and the third question is what are the laws of motion. We'll be discussing this in this session itself. Now, the first thing is, what do you mean by force? A force is a pull or push action on an object, okay, which will make it move. A push as in you're trying to push something away, or pull as in you're trying to grab and bring it towards you. The push or pull action, okay, this is the example. This is a pen. Right now I am pushing this away and I'm pulling this towards me. I'm pushing this away, I'm pulling this towards me. So this simple action that you see right now, this is called applying a force. I apply a force on this cap, okay, and I'm pulling it. Both of these are the example of force. Right now, if you're clear with force, now we'll discuss about motion. What do you mean by motion? Okay, a body which changes its position from one place to another with respect to time is supposed to be in motion, okay, and I have made one example. So not to confuse, the line that you see right here is ground, which means it is static, it does not move. And the object that you see right now, this and this are the same objects. Now ignore this, look at this. This is position P1, this is some place on ground, and you have put an object there, okay. As soon as I apply the force on it, and see one more thing, this force was not there, okay. So what I did is I applied a force on this object, and this object moved and took position P2 after how many seconds? T seconds. Now this T could be one thing, it would have been, I don't know, 1 second or 2 seconds or 3 seconds later. No matter how many seconds it takes, it will end up in position P2, okay. So there was this object, these are the same objects, okay. I applied a force on object and it changed its position from point P1. After t seconds it ended up at spot P2 on the same ground, okay. Now if you are very clear with these three things, it is not that simple, let me tell you, because there are a few different things to tackle right now. If you're talking about motion, these are the definitions you need to be really clear with. The first one is speed versus velocity. Roughly both of these are same things but a little different when we come to physics, okay. Distance and displacement, again sort of the same thing but they are again different, and acceleration is a totally different thing, okay. So for now, right now, you need to make this thing very clear in your mind, and I'll get back to you in the next session. Thank you.